Hello, everybody. Good morning or good evening. How's it going? How's it going? Whoa, look at that. Oh, we just dropped on, yeah, it's not even the new hour yet. Anyway, we swept the Asia low, I guess. Admirals, I did accidentally hedge trade on Apex, but they approved my payout. Well, I'm going to tell you a little secret, Admirals. I did that too, once. The last payout, because I opened the position accidentally on micro, because I just wanted to sell a contract on the mini. So I opened up micro contracts anyway. So I was in a hedge position, not for too long, but in like at least for 10 seconds or whatever, but they approved. Krister, hello. What's going on? Good morning. Sam, hey Sam, good to see you. Good morning. And Camille, my man. What's up? Good to see you. All right. I put the Asia low here to 557, so we just swept it. That's what's cooking. Officially swept an Asia low, and I put the Asia high to 613 to a 15-minute fair value gap around right after. Well, maybe I should have put it a little bit higher to 619, maybe I should say so. Yeah, so let's go with 6 as the high there. 19.75 on the micro. Dogu-kan, hello. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm looking for a long position, as usual. But first, let's look at the downside. How far can this one go? Let's look at the hourly chart. Prudwi, hello. Good to see you. All right. Do we have a new day opening gap? What is this here? We have a gap here. It's also there on the mini as well. What is that? What is that gap? It's from yesterday, 10 a.m. What happened? On the hourly chart, interesting, there's an unbalanced price range at 400. Quite interesting. On the micro, I'm gonna pull this one here. Unbalanced price range. Let's put this to the right. Just in case. Just in case if it would start to fall. Okay, on the 15-minute, this is technically an order block. The neckline is starting at 526 with the fair value gap. So we have a 15-minute fair value gap with an order block. The 15-minute fair value gap is here. So let's just say 15-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Okay. And we have a bullish order block neckline here. Open is 526.50. All right. And that's a 15-minute bullish order block. Bullish order block. So I would say let's wait for at least 526. Be careful with the longs, but we'll see. Also, because this order block has not been broken on the downside, that's why it can be tricky. It could go for the unbalanced price range. Anyway, it's good to see these levels. Disciplined trader, hey, good to see you. Where have you been? Natasha, hello, Natasha, good to see you as well. Hope you had a great day yesterday. Hope you made some good profits. Go to 513. Yeah, obviously, yeah, I think so. Reprice that order fair value gap. Oh yeah, exactly, Jay. Marco is here. Hello, Marco. By the way, I totally forgot, but Take Profit Trader, I think, still has the no activation fee promo. Just saying. Last time they yeah, no activation fee, I guess. All right. Change my. No, we had a disciplined trader before. There is somebody who is who has a name of disciplined trader. Are you Alicia? We had a disciplined trader earlier. I think. I'm not sure. Or did I saw you in some other stream? I don't know. Yeah, I swear I saw a guy named Disciplined Trader. That's why I thought that he just returned. But hey, Alicia, good to see you. Pretty instant funding is a really nice deal. No consistency. Wow. I might gonna look into it, but might have been others. I'm always checking out other streamers. Sometimes I'm just lurking in the background, so I might have seen you there. You know, if I just chill out, hanging out, reading some stuff, and hanging around on some other streamer or at some other streamer's channel. Okay. Seemingly this is going higher, but I'm not trusting this. I think it can continue lower. Camille, I don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm hanging around everywhere. Alex, good morning. I have a feeling that this one can go lower. I actually want to pass a. I have a Apex eval that I would love to pass. Maybe I'll do. Let's see what is going on here. It's still going higher, but this is the first displacement. Natasha, I am super happy. Take Profit Twitter is definitely crazy. I don't know how they can keep this up, but I hope they will do this for a long time. 7.5k payout right now. By the way, Natasha, I think if you're gonna reach the 20,000, because that's what they told me, if someone takes $20,000 from them, they're gonna put. I don't know how it looks like in real, but they're gonna put that person to a live account. So I think you're on a good path to go to live account. By the way, I might want to. I'm putting a buy limit at 64.25. Okay, I'm in the trade. Yeah, as that's what they said. I mean, after $20,000, if they see someone is obviously this money comes from their pocket. So if they see someone walking away with $20,000, they are monitoring obviously everybody's withdrawals, and they're putting that individual to a live account. But I don't know the details. So they told it's across all the accounts, but you know, it's not really true, because on the other hand, they also said that if you make $10,000 per account, they are moving you to a Pro Plus account if there's no other choice. So I don't know how this works, because a few weeks ago they said $10,000 per account, and if you and I clearly remember that they said if they move you to a Pro Plus account, which is a live account, then you can still keep the other accounts. If you have like 5 Pro accounts and one you take out 10k, you go to a live account, you can still go with 4 Pro accounts, which are simulated accounts. Now, obviously, $20,000 can be easily done with 4 or 5 Pro accounts. So I don't really know the numbers. That's why I'm really curious how they are doing it. Or how it's working in reality, because I don't know. But anyway, at least you can keep the accounts. Like for Top Step, if they're moving you to a live account, you have to shut down your other XFA accounts. As far as I know, with Take Profit Trader, you can still keep your Pro accounts and continue to trade. So I don't know. Natasha is rolling. Hey Isham, good to see you. And Pinion Mendez. Hey, the topic was just about the live accounts with Take Profit Trader. Nothing special, like how much money you have to withdraw. Last time they said $20,000 across the accounts, but I remember they saying $10,000 per simulated funded account. That's why I will be curious how it works. I also got the email, by the way, from them. It was before I blown the account, that if I choose, I can go to a Pro Plus account. If you make above $5,000 profit, including the safety net on the 150k account, by the way, that's what I had. You get an automatic email if you get to choose if you want to go to a Pro Plus account. So I had that. Take Profit is the hardest prop firm to get payout intraday. I mean, I know what you mean there, admirals, but once you get to that safety net, it's basically a static account. That's what you have to, you know, keep in mind. But you get to that safety net, and it's gonna be a static account after that. That's it. No more issues. Yeah, but that's how they make money, you know. Wong, hello. Don't gamble on stock trading. Don't make estimates. Don't expect like. Yeah, yeah, that's a good saying. My bank account suspended my account today. Why? Too many? You bought too many evals? What happened, Camille? Come on. Really? If they suspended your account, was it because of buying too many evaluation accounts? Because last time that's what happened to me. I mean, not now. It was like last year, early last year. I was buying too many Apex accounts and Bulenox accounts on the same day. Like there was a 90% sale. So I was just buying and buying. And so I got a phone call from the bank. It was a year ago or something. I got a phone call from my bank that we are seeing suspicious behavior on your bank account. So we're going to suspend your account for 24 to 48 hours until they're going to investigate what is happening on my account. And I told them, hey, it's all right. I was doing the purchases, and the guy on the phone told me, well, thank you for notifying us, but we are still going to investigate the issue because there was like 26 transactions after each other from the same, you know, I bought like 20 Apex evals or something. It was last year, a year ago or something. Too many transactions, and they have to investigate it. I said, well, all right. So anyway. Oh yeah, 10% cashback. Wow. Do you know how they are? Are they a scam? Oh yeah, they were almost asking me the same thing. I mean, I'm sorry, sir. I mean, obviously in Hungarian, but we saw that Apex Trader has made like 26 or I don't even know 24 transactions in the like 20 minutes or 22 minutes in the last 20 minutes on your bank account, and we are seeing suspicious activity. Also, Bulenox Trader, blah blah blah, also made like several attempts on your, and also like 10 transactions on your bank card and on your debit card, and so we are investigating the issue. And I said, oh, it was me, don't worry. I told the bank, don't worry, it was me. But still they said, oh, thank you, but we are still going to investigate the issue. That's what we are still going to investigate. I said, all right. Investigate. The problem was my debit card was suspended for, I think, the next day on the evening or something. The card was working again, but I couldn't buy anything with that card until the other day. For like 24 hours, they were investigating. And I said, don't worry, it's cool. Returned FTM payout due to suspicious of money laundering. Yeah, yeah. On my end, they thought that the card was stolen or hacked or something. They said it seemed like that maybe someone hacked my application or my phone or something and purchasing online products. Don't worry, Camille. I have a video for you, Camille. I think I can find it for you. I have a video for you. I hope. I hope I can find it. There's a video for Camille, especially for Camille. Now that you said this, I have a video just for you. It's here somewhere, don't worry. I'm gonna find it. When I watch this video next time, I will know that it's you. Oh, come on, where is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. You need to read the text too. Okay, Camille. Camille, this is you. And it says, when you finally get $500 payout on a funded account after losing 10K trying to get funded. I have to play this to you. Just trolling. This is Camille. Okay, all right. Just trolling, you know. You know me. I like to troll. I'm the kind of person like Don Rickles, you know. I like to troll everybody a little bit. Green, what's up? No. It's don't worry. You're on time. Don't worry. Only 500 contract. It's still moving. I have some relative equal highs up there, so I thought that, you know, why not? Why not break that? I don't know if we're gonna get up there or not, but we'll see. That's also me when I tell a girl she's going to have a great night. Oh my god. We need to laugh. Are there any holding time? If you mean about micro scalping or just scalping, there is no rule about that, NN, on Take Profit Trader. Thank God there is no rule about holding time. Obviously, you have to close the trades until 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I mean, you cannot hold it overnight, but otherwise, there's no minimum holding time. That's me after from Apex. Yeah, there you go, best DJ in town. That's also a good scenario. Yeah. Above the buffer. Let's go, Sam. Awesome. Yeah, exactly. So if you don't close your trades after 5:59 Eastern Standard, that's a hard breach and you're going to lose your account. So be careful about overnight trades, or do not even try to hold a trade. But it's not just Take Profit Trader. Like, I think Elite Trader or Earn to Trade, some of them has a Diamond Hands account or something that you can hold trades overnight, but it costs a lot, like commission or swap or something. So I'm not advising you to hold it, especially when the new day opening gap is like, you know, be huge. Yeah. Oh, 4:59. Sorry, not 5:59. 4:59. 4:59, man. Yeah. So just before 5 p.m. need to close the positions. So my Apex accounts. Oh, Dom, what happened, man? Oversized? I guess over leveraged. Maybe too many trades. Dom, come on. Don't worry. I know it kind of sucks. I know. 99% sure it's again over trading. And you know, the good news is Dom, that you can actually work on that. It's not about your setup. I'm guessing you have an entry model. I'm guessing you see the market, where could it go. It's just overtrading. And you can, the good news is that you can actually work on that. So you know what to do. Funded futures, yes. Yes, exactly. So yesterday I was very annoyed by Funded Futures Network. I was very annoyed because I had 2 accounts almost at $900, and it seems like there was a quant hour issue or something with Rhythmic. I was in a short with 10 micros after the market open. I closed the short. I clicked on the flat button, and all the orders and positions disappeared. But my balance was keep going down as the market went higher. My balance went down, so the account got blown up. So I messaged to Funded Futures Network. They couldn't do anything, unfortunately. So what I did is I did a reset. So I have my new Funded Futures Network accounts, and guess what? In the PM session, I managed to scalp my way back to $971 on the Funded Futures Network accounts, 970. So basically, I'm back to where I was yesterday. All is good. But I had to spend $130 on 2 resets. One reset is $65. But what I want to say is that so far, I think Funded Futures Network actually seemed to be quite legit. I mean, really, I went over the rules as much as I could, and I'm going to do a video about my Funded Futures Network. They are I thought they are brand new, but they are not. The payout policy, everything, it's pretty much straightforward. I kind of like them. So yesterday they couldn't help me out with this technical glitch because they said it was not their problem. It most likely was Quant Tower or something, or my computer. But what can I do? I don't know. I don't know, Maverick. Pip is still without activation fee. Yes, it seems like they still are without activation. No information how long it stays that way. But yesterday, as far as we checked, the no activation promo with the 30% discount was still on. So I don't know what about this moment, but it seems like it's still on because I just checked before the stream. The promo codes were working. I haven't checked about the activation fee today, but yesterday there was still no activation fee. So I suppose the Take Profit Trader no activation 30% off is still going. So grab it while you can. I suppose as soon as they come out with the new promotion, they're just going to change it to something else. And I mean, having no activation fee is definitely a good thing. So grab it. Yeah, overtrading, right? Yeah. Overtrading. Yannick, hello. Banks is here. Banks entered the building, everyone. Prepare yourself. Exactly, Sam. That's the issue. They have 80% reset yesterday. Which prop firm? It was Funded Futures Network or Take Profit Trader? Wasn't sure. Kurtz, hello. Funded Futures Network. Yesterday, I was able to reset my account for $65. So when I saw that it's for $65, I was like, F it. So my expenses, by the way, jumped to, I'm now somewhere around $4,700 this year, or $48. I spent another 130 on 2 resets. But hey, I mean, the reason I wanted to reset is because when I bought these accounts, it was still under the no activation fee promo, right? And I got one account for free, so I was like, all right, I'm just gonna reset. Oh, I need to put a space. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Let me check it. Funded Futures Network. Okay. Because I have a short URL, not to take up too much space in the chat. Thank you, Slyfox, for letting me know. I just corrected it. I put on an extra space before and after too. It should be working. You know, when I click on it, it actually goes there. I don't know what about you guys, but I'm gonna actually check it in the description too. I corrected the chat. Funded Futures Network. The chat is on a the description has it in a different line, so it should be okay. Anyway, I registered to Bitly just to have these short URLs. I don't like them to take up too much space. Thank you, Slyfox. For a few hours right after I canceled. Oh. So I guess maybe others had some issues, maybe, technically. I don't know. Yeah, Jay, I don't know what about these spikes here. I was hoping that we will go up there to those 90s, but it's not going. Today is D-Day for the tariffs. When is Trump going to announce the tariffs? When is he going to announce it? Sam, there is nothing new about Funded Futures Network. Yesterday I had a glitch. They say it was my issue, not their issue. I closed the trades, but the trades were still on. Although I didn't see them on Quantower, but I got 2 blown evaluation accounts. So I did a reset with them, that's all. It's working now. Thank you, Slyfox, for letting me know. Can you, with Funded Futures Network, can you use your second BOGO account at the same time or only? Yeah, only one at a time. That's a very good question. So if you blow up your initial account, not the one that was for free, but the one that you purchased with real money. So if you blow up that account, you need to buy a new account within 72 hours. Okay? If you're not buying a new account or not resetting, so you can reset or buy a new account. The free account only stays there as long as you're having a regular subscription. So that's it. That's the criteria for the free account, basically. So you can, if you blow up your initial account, you can reset it, okay, or you can buy another one. They need to have at least one live subscription to let you hold the free subscription. Sharp low volume spikes? That's interesting. Oh, they go into effect today. Is there other platform I can trade on TradingView? Natasha, I'm not sure. As far as I know, if you have TradeAway connection on any of these platforms, which most of them are having, you should be able to trade through TradingView, right? I mean, it's not, I'm just guessing, but as long as they have TradeAway, any of these platforms, then you should be able to connect through TradingView, right? Not sure. Karsten, hello. Good to see you, Karsten. So it is smart to try to pass the free one first. Well, yeah, maybe, I guess. Yeah. Or maybe copy trade them. I don't know. Zoltan, hello. Welcome. It's a bit mistake. Reset your Taper account and did not realize that my subscription will renew on the 6th of April. Oh. Ooh. Well, what you can do, there's only you can still do some stuff. Oh no, 5 trading days. Oh yeah, I totally forgot 5 minimum trading days. Well, you can still do something, you know. 50K. Will I have to pay for a renewal? Yes, you have to. You have to pay for a renewal, unfortunately. What you can do, and what I would do if I were you, I would go a little bit more aggressive. That's what you can do. So, for example, if you can, I mean, just imagine you make like $2,000, $1,500 until the 6th. Even if you're gonna get rebuild, which you will, it will be easier to pass that account, right? So, and if you blow the account until the 6th, then you'll just have a reset, right, on the rebuild. So, like, you're already in this. There's not much you can do, but at least you can go aggressive in the next few days on that account. And if it fails, then you're gonna have the rebuild at least. So that's what I would do. If I were you, I would just go in, not like full port, but like a little bit aggressive, maybe. Maybe it's up to you. I'm not saying you should do that, but I mean, it's not I advise, but I know it seems like it, but you know. Naomi, hello. Good to see you, Naomi. Yeah, it could have been just a liquidity sweep before dumpage. Unfortunately, there's still space below. Yeah, TRADEIFY is good too. If anyone is purchasing TRADEIFY accounts, just saying that the actual promo for the month is, the code is SPRING. So if you would like to give some credit to the channel, please click on my link first and use the actual promo code, which is SPRING, and that gives a bit of a credit. They told me I can get a custom code, maybe if they see people using my link, but what can I do? So if you purchase a TRADEIFY account, first click on my link. It's always in the description in any of my live streams or in the chat, and use the actual monthly promo code, which is SPRING. Thank you. It's up to you, obviously. You can use anyone's code. I did not like earn to trade. You can't use TradingView. Oh, once I tried them, but you know, there's so many prop firms. Potential big dump during New York session. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of interesting what it might be, but we'll see. Will the renewal? Yes. The renewal will be also 119. So the only thing you can do, I mean, in this situation, you know, what can you lose now? I mean, if you would like to keep trading with Take Profit Trader, I suggest you should, because you're already in with an investment. Then I can, you know, you can now go aggressive. And I said, worst case scenario, if you're in drawdown. Now, one thing I don't know for sure, and you have to ask support, because I don't know the answer for that. Maybe some of you guys know. If with Take Profit Trader, you are in a drawdown, like below the initial balance. So, for example, on a 50K account, before the rebill, you're just in a $200 drawdown, like 49,800. And comes the rebill. Are they going to reset the account? Because, for example, TopStep does. If they see you in a drawdown at the rebuild, they're going to reset you to initial balance, which is a great gesture, I guess. Now, does Take Profit Trader do that? Very good question. And I say that to Zoltan too. You should ask chat about it. If you are in a drawdown before the rebuild, but the account is still active, are they going to reset you, or you're just gonna have to continue from the drawdown? It doesn't, you know, because if they're not resetting you, make sure to blow the account the previous day. If you're in a drawdown, just make sure to blow the account. Admirals, hey, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Yeah, they told me at TRADEIFY if I can collect more sales, which is only possible if you guys click on the link and then purchase with the monthly code, then maybe they will give me my custom code. Who knows? I have to work for it. Okay, I guess. Thank you so much. Also, I'd be very buying new Bulenox accounts. They've been doing some shady stuff lately. Please to me. What happened with Bulenox? Did there was some technical glitch, or I hope they didn't deny payout. I haven't heard anyone except one person got denied for a payout. Actually, two person. One is that guy with a few $100,000, and one because he had multiple accounts. That's all I heard for denied payouts with Bulenox. Bowser is here. Hello. 40%, yes. With Funded Futures Network, 40% consistency rule. I think it's totally fine, by the way. It's totally fine. Bowser, how you doing? Pay activation fees when I did. They closed the master account when I only lost. What? Still. But you know, that's wow, Jabe. That's actually I mean that's a stupid issue from them. That's from them saying that it's stupid, because how could you have a master account without paying the fee? That is like, anyway. They found my phone. No? You lost one. Okay. If you have the buy one get one free, make sure to if you lost the initial account which you paid for, make sure to get another account in 72 hours. You can reset the previous one or buy another one, because they said they can disable your free account. So the free account needs to have any kind of subscription to stay on your dashboard. Okay, so it was in the fine print. I didn't read that as well in the first place. I just only read that after that. So you are required to have any kind of real life subscription to be able to keep the free account, and you have 72 hours. I guess you can contact support if you know, just saying. And then I stream London and New York. Today, the London session is going to be a little bit shorter. The London session is going to be a little bit shorter because I have some IRL stuff to do. So unfortunately, I think I have to leave right before the pre-market open, which I would love to see. But somewhere before the pre-market open, I need to leave. And I told this yesterday to you guys that today is going to be a short stream. And while you guys are here, I must say that tomorrow I'm taking my mother to a hospital, and there are going to be no London stream tomorrow, okay? No London stream tomorrow. But I'll be back today in New York and tomorrow in New York as well. So today short stream, tomorrow no London stream. But I'll be here on Friday all day, and New York streams, so I'll be here. It's just my week is a little bit upside down, but I'm happy to see everybody. I hope you guys can make it back, maybe have a good time in New York session. I have so many. I mean, I know the streaming space is saturated in New York session, I know, but would be awesome to see you guys hanging around in New York as well. I'm up 1450 on that account, but Saturday and Sunday. Oh man, I see what you mean. Well, not much you can do. Maybe what I would do is contact support, or just a small idea. if you can freeze your debit card for that day, or I don't know. I'm going to tell you a secret, what happened to me at MyFundedFutures last year. Don't tell anyone. I was in the same situation like Zoltan. I was like 2 days away from rebilling, or 3 days, I don't know. And I only needed a little bit to pass the account. So I frozen my debit card. So MyFundedFutures couldn't rebill the next monthly fee. And I don't know if this was a technical glitch or not. On the day that it should have been rebuilt, I also got the email, the automated email from MyFundedFutures that we couldn't rebill your account. Please fix your payment details in the next 24 hours, blah, 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 you know. And on the same day, I managed to pass the evaluation account. And the next day, I got the funded account without having to be rebuilt for the extra, you know, month. And I managed to get away with it because they disabled the account got disabled automatically because it passed, you know. And it was, I don't know if Take Profit, you can do it with Take Profit Twitter or not, but you know, because your subscription is not going to be canceled in the same day. I think they're gonna wait like 2 days, is what I want to say. I think they're gonna wait like 48 hours or 72 hours before they cancel your test account. That's what I think. I'm just guessing here. So what you can do is disable or freeze your debit card if you can do that, and just try to pass it. And if it fails, just get a new one. That's it. I don't know. The pro accounts yesterday got paid on third day. Let's go, Bowser. Awesome. Now I got a new master account and I paid, and they oh wow, that's interesting, Jay. Did you send them the bank receipt? You know, send them the payment receipt. I don't know. Obviously you sent them, right? That's what I would have done. FTM on Forex. Yeah. Buy master accounts, but only have 3 because that's interesting, Jay. Send them. I don't know. I don't know what could have happened. Accounts are cheaper and they pay. Yeah. You're in a restricted country. Then you should try Pandora. You should try MyFundedFutures Network or Take Profit Trader. They're good. I mean, they have a much smaller list for these countries. They are refurbished that list basically. She's okay, Dokuken. She's okay, but she just had to go for the doctor who is treating her. He's only available tomorrow in the hospital, so that's why you have to go. He does have a good heart. Dilzik, what's up? I'm in a buy, Jake. I'm in a buy. I was looking for Asia high after sweeping the lows, and we have some relative equal highs up there. So I was hoping that, you know, after the sweep we can break higher, but obviously we have a 15-minute BC down there and an order block too, so we can't just go lower, especially after the London Open. So and make me, I don't know, Pandora. It's I think it's a little bit sketchy because they're monitoring the IP address, and also if you use a VPN, they said they see if somebody's using a VPN. So if you're using a VPN, it's not good. If they see your IP address from a restricted country, that's not good. So I don't know. I'm not sure if it could work out, Pandora. Unfortunately, I specifically asked, not for me, for a friend, but yeah, really, I was asked them, like, how does this work? And they said they're monitoring the VPNs and the IP addresses. I don't know how can they see it, but they told that they know if somebody is using a VPN. I don't know how that can be done. or even a VPS server. VPS or VPN, they know, but I don't know how. I don't know how that can be known. I'm not a technical guru, but they said they know. One free reset. Admirals, I'm not sure. Maybe for the first time. I'm not sure. Yeah, Zoltan, try it. Maybe it works out. Not sure. I'm guessing you're going to get an email, but you have still 24 or 48 hours to update your payment settings, and you have an extra day to pass the account. Yeah, that sounds... Jay, that's a little bit weird. I hope you can figure it out. Also put my country under restrictions. Which country is that? Yeah. Philippines. Funded Futures Network. I'm going to check it out. I'm just curious about Funded Futures Network. Look at that. Funded Futures Network. Now, this is much better. This list is much better than some others. There's no Philippines here. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can see it. No Philippines on Funded Futures Network. I guess that's good. Yeah, she's okay. Thank you, Wrestler entry. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying on the 15-minute, we have this 15-minute BC with the mid-level at 522. I have a bad feeling, and also we have a bullish order block here. Look at the 15-minute. Here comes the bearish push down to an unbalanced price range, picking up liquidity all the way here. Look at the candles from yesterday PM session. Bearish push down here, picking up liquidity. Then pushing it higher, shifting structure here, and also continuing to shift. This is an order block. Now the neckline, the body of the candle, which is the most important line, I think, starts at 526. That's why I'm saying I'm not sure it's gonna go higher. I think it can go easily lower, all the way down to 526. So if you guys in a long position, make sure it's not a big position. Actually, I'm just gonna take off one Connie here. Because, you know, I just don't like this. I don't like this move at all. It doesn't feel like it's going to be able to hold it. I might even close this trade. Yeah, in this case, I might gonna do that. I move my stop technically at break even. I already closed down $20. So if it takes me out, this is gonna be a break even trade. I really don't like this. I think it's a little bit tricky. I think the London Open can just, you know, this is just gonna take the elevator down to mitigate that that area, and maybe it will turn around. Now it just feels super weak. The way the candles are printing and everything is just feeling super weak here. So I'm not comfortable holding this. This is absolutely a low probability trade now. Yeah, look at Funded Futures Network. It seems like Philippines are not on the restricted list. So first payout of the year last month after getting 3 denial from Apex. Consistent trader. Let's go. Congratulations, consistent trader. Awesome, awesome. Oh, I have to change the banner because the 50% off Funded Futures Network is not valid anymore. It's 30% or 35% off or something. I don't know. I have to check it. I think it's 35% off. Yeah. Very slow morning. Yeah, it's very slow. And I don't like this trade at all. So I don't mind getting out of this. The Joker trades. Good morning. Welcome. The bias, I still like to go, I mean, I like this one to go higher. So I will be looking for longs. But for now, since we're just hovering at this midnight area, I have a feeling that we're going to go down and, you know, we might even drop down to this, to the low of this order block, 15-minute order block. This is the starting point and this is the low. But since we're in the London session, it might just going to happen that we're just going to push higher, take some orders, and then take the elevator down in New York, you know. I didn't buy the dip. I was what I did yesterday. I was actually scalping somewhere here on the shorts down to the 400 something. There was a gap here at 419, and I jumped into a scalp on the 1-minute chart, and with a little bit extra leverage on the Funded Futures account, that's why I got it back. But that's all I did. Yeah, this trade is out the dumpster. There you go. No problem. It's all right. Break even, technically. $6 up. So I guess it might want to go down to that area. You're welcome, consistent trader. Congratulations. So I will only be here for maximum another 50 minutes or so. 50, yeah. Then I have to leave, but I'll be here. And I'll be back for New York session. And tomorrow there will be no London stream, okay? Just a reminder. No London stream tomorrow. But I'll be back for New York session. What is happening? FFN? Whoa! Woo! Oh my god. Come on. Natasha.
Make a giveaway later, Tom. Heart hands emoji. Love for everyone.
Oh my god. Natasha, thank you so much. Oh my god. We're gonna do a giveaway for sure. I'm just let me see what's the time now. We have the London Open. We can do a quick giveaway if you guys want it. We can do it now. Natasha, oh my god, you shouldn't have. That's such a nice gesture of you. So we can do a very quick giveaway, but we only because I don't want to leave it for the time I have to go. So and we're gonna wait like 10 minutes, okay, or maybe less, and we're gonna pick the winner, or we can do it in the New York session. It's up to you. Let me read the chat real quick. You're welcome. Yokozuna. You wanna push lower? Yeah, it might be. Hey, Escape the Matrix. How you doing? Yeah. Classic profile. Yeah, exactly, Pinion Mendes. Yeah. Would be cool now. Okay. New York session. We don't have time for a poll. Natasha was such... Oh, you're such a nice for doing this. Very generous. All right. We're going to do it now. Okay. We're going to do it now. And I'm going to do a giveaway this week as well. Okay. Maybe tomorrow. And again, it was very generous from Natasha. Where's the giveaway settings? What should I... Should I... I'm just gonna write your chat name here. How do you write your name, Natasha? How do you write it? Natasha. Okay, thank you. Let me copy that. I'm just gonna put it there just to let everyone know who's sponsoring it. Okay, confirm. Okay, the giveaway has started. Exclamation mark cash. And I'm gonna sneeze. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. Everybody gets one ticket. And we're gonna pick the winner in about 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Thank you, Natasha. Very, very, very generous. Baby cash. Very generous. And thank you. I'm gonna do a giveaway as well tomorrow or Friday, all right? Promise. Hopefully the winner has PayPal, okay? Or we can do Wise or Revolut, okay? PayPal, Wise, Revolut would be the best way for me to do it. But we can do international bank wire. I don't really want to do crypto because I don't have crypto right now and it's super expensive to just to get $50 in USDC or something. The conversion rates and the debit card fees and everything. I mean, just throwing money out the window. You have to spend like $70 or $80. But anyway, we'll do it somehow. Let me put this. We have 44 people entered already. Oh wow. 44, 45 now. Let's go. We're gonna do it in about 7 minutes. Okay. Yeah, as we suspected, we're going down. Going down into that gap. All right. Let me read the chat real quick. That's the problem with live orders. Got filled? All right. Yeah, so now I will be looking for a possible long again. But I would be happier. Maybe it's not the best thing, but I would like to see it mitigate these areas at 26 at least. I think it can go. Not sure. Maybe it's gonna reprice higher. Who knows? Trading Star is here. Good morning. Hey, welcome. What's going on? Long at 477. Let's see. Buy limit at 490. All right. Yeah, enter the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. We still have like 2 or 3 minutes. We have 47 people. We're going lower first. Yeah, I think so too. I'd like to see 26 first, to be honest. I like to see that that 26 level being mitigated. So we'll see. But obviously it can just, you know, make a structure shift and go higher from here. And it can just take the elevator later. It can easily do that. Super easy. $50K TRADEIFY growth account. Yeah. Cash. There you go. Careful. All right. How we're doing with the giveaway? 51 people entered. I'm going to wait 1 more minute. Okay. And then we're closing it down. 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see how far is this one gonna go. Okay, now it's shifting. Or at least it seems like it. There is a possible shift. Or not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Enter the giveaway! Exclamation mark cash. Everybody gets 1 ticket. We have 56 people now. Last minute, okay? Last few seconds. And I'm still watching this price action until then. Yeah, look at that. The order block level. Okay, let's pick the winner. Slade is here. In the background. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Did you guys see how Slade looks like? He's a good-looking guy. He's like a real movie star. All right, let's pick the winner. 59 participants already. All right, I'm gonna cover up the chat. So last few seconds, and I said that before. Oh, okay, so that's how he's farming engagement. Okay, that's how he does it. Yeah, no, I'm not super. That's the super secret sauce. Doing streams with a girlfriend. Okay, all right. So that's how he does it. All right. Maybe I'm gonna have to step up a little bit, right? Okay. All right, we're closing the entries. 3, 2, 1, and closing it now. Okay. I'm covering the chat, and we're doing this. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Natasha, aka No Wonder Why. She's very generous and good-hearted, and don't know what to say. Thank you so much in the name of the community. The sponsor is Natasha, and the winner is gonna be someone who might be the best trader amongst us all, and he or she never comes forward to tell us, but really, OG viewer. All right, let's do this. The winner is no other than Hamid N. Congratulations for the win. Hamid, congratulations. Make yourself known. Obviously, the rules are saying if in 5 minutes he's not here, we're just gonna re-roll. That's what is gonna happen. He's away. All right, let's re-roll. All right, he's not here. Thank you for being here, Hamid. Still not here. Everybody's praying for Hamid not to be here. Oh, she got the first winning trade on stream. Oh, Hamid is here. Congratulations, Hamid. Congratulations. Let me type in the damn. Damn. Let me type in my email for you. Please, Hamid, if you have PayPal, that would be awesome. Or Revolut or Wise, we can do that instantly. Here is my email address. Please send me your PayPal address, and we're gonna do this swift, fast, fast as possible. I mean, you can send it later as well throughout the day. It's up to you. Congratulations. And thank you so much, Natasha. Disciplined Trader's name is Hamid as well. So who's the winner now? All right. That was awesome, right? Okay, all is good. And thank you, Natasha. We are spreading the love. Yeah. Congratulations. We're gonna have a giveaway tomorrow or on Friday. All right, we'll see which day works out for best for me, or as best for me. But we're gonna do giveaway. All right. And today definitely Natasha is spreading the love. Thank you again. Oh my God, Malo Legacy entered the building. Look at this. Malo, we were missing you last night. Oh, vacation. Oh my God, I was worried, by the way. I thought you'd never want to see us again here in this community. Good to see you here. Doing good, doing good. Some slow moves here in the market, but all is well. Good to see you, man. Have a good time on the vacation. Oh, by the way, look at this. Ooh, are we seeing some kind of a possible entry here? Could this be a possible entry? I'm not sure. Look at that. Could be. This goes here. To the 80s. Can it go down to 69-ish area? 69. I guess it can. Interesting. There was a possible entry. Let me zoom this out for you. There was a possible entry. It was a little bit tricky because it was only one tick down here. And the wanted to risk to reward is just around 70. Yeah, it's tricky. Tricky. It is tricky. Oh, Hamid just sent me. Nice. Hamid, can you please confirm that you have 28 in your email, the number 28? I'm guessing you have, but I just wanted to make sure. I'm starting to send it, by the way. So, oh, okay, all right. So it was you. All right. I'm already on it. Okay, I'm already on it. It's not an official trade. I'm just measuring the possibilities here. All right. It's done. It's done. I think I have the confirmation as well. Yep, I have the confirmation. So, Hamid, it's done. Congratulations. Bye, Natasha. I don't know which country he is in. Awesome. Congratulations, Hamid. Thanks to Natasha here, aka No Wonder Why she was sponsoring this, but stay tuned. We'll have more giveaways. I mean, not today, but tomorrow or Friday. I still haven't decided. Most likely it could be Friday. Because tomorrow there will be no London stream. Just saying. Tomorrow, no London stream. Don't forget it. Unfortunately, I won't be here. But I'll be here in New York today, tomorrow, and Friday full day. Okay? Yeah, which country are you in, Hamid? If you don't mind us asking. Just curiosity, you know. All right, are we gonna go lower here? Or is it gonna try to push higher? There was a possible I mean, there was a gap here. I don't know. I don't think it was strong enough to hold this. Can still go lower down to that 526. I think it's gonna happen. $26.50 on the micro. I don't know about the mini. Problems on Rhythmic Apex? Not right now, Martin. Nothing. New York. Whoa. Cool. Yeah, interesting rejection here. And also interesting, like I thought it wants to push higher. Still hovering in this area. Kind of an interesting place to be. It's kind of curious if it wants to mitigate that order block or the mid-level of the 15-minute BC, which is down there. Because it seems like it might want to go lower. But it's definitely interesting. That's why it was a little bit risky. I think the draw on liquidity could be down there to mitigate the order block or the mid-level, which is 22.50. Yeah. Jay says we should go lower. Yeah. Be careful though. This is a tricky area here. For sure. So I'm just gonna wait on the sidelines. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Yeah, the mid level is definitely down at 22. I mean the 15-minute BC. So, and again the order block to the left also 20. Let's see, the open of the order block is 25.75. Yeah, still some way to go, but this really could be a tricky one. Still have time. And also, I have about 15 to 20 minutes maximum here. Then I have to go. Not much is happening. Went lower, picked up some liquidity. It might try to shift once more to the upside. Who knows? No trades. No trades yet. Just waiting. So I'm gonna receive a phone call soon. And I might have to leave any moment, but I think I have about 15 minutes or 20. Maybe to see a possible entry, I don't know. See you later, Natasha. Thank you so much for the support. Really nice of you, and have a good one, and hope to see you soon. Gotta sleep, Penyon? Alright. Alright. See you next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Tick chart, you can see the range, the head and shoulders. We should make a measured move below the range as much as it. Oh, I see. This is trading, as it's supposed to be. Just a waiting game. I had a break-even trade, so I'm just gonna wait here. Maybe we only see a possible setup after the pre-market open, which unfortunately I won't be able to see. But still like that 26 down there. Just basically stuck here in this area. You know, after, I mean, before taking a long trade, it would be nice to see some of these levels, at least the order block being mitigated, or the mid level of the BC. That would be good before looking into a reversal, a proper reversal. Oops. $5.13. I mean, that would make sense. Yeah. Holding from dumping more. Oh, yeah. Trump dump. Yeah, John. Trump dump. That would be great to see. The Trump dump. Well, NQ so far is a little bit unplugged here. Okay, so it's mitigating the order block now. And down to, so the level actually worked out. So now that this 526 and the mid-level 522 has been taken, now I think this would be the area to look for possible long setups, you know, from this area here. Obviously we need some kind of a structure or displacement, but now we have a higher probability to look for a reversal, even if just for some minor levels here, but you know, for the London session still it could be valid. I really like that these two levels have been taken out. That's good. Oh yeah, Val Kilmer passed away. I was reading it and I'm heartbroken because, like, really, Val Kilmer, I think, obviously I don't know what kind of person he was in his private life, but the characters that he played, the movies that he played in, well, Batman Forever was like, you know, but still, when I was a kid, I saw Batman Forever in the movies. Also, I think one of the best movies I loved it is Heat. You know, Val Kilmer, Al Pacino, Robert De Niro. By the way, one of the top 10 movies in the whole universe, like the existence of humanity. One of my favorite in the top 10 is Heat. Definitely 1994 or 1997 movie. I think it's super awesome, and I was like, oh man, Val Kilmer, rest in peace, rest in peace. I think he was a real character. When I saw him in Top Gun Maverick, say what you want, when I saw him in Top Gun Maverick, that scene with Tom Cruise, that put a little bit of a tear in my eye. Like, it was such an awesome scene with Tom Cruise. And, you know, at that time when they were making Top Gun Maverick, Val Kilmer had the cancer, the throat cancer. And they made his voice with the computer and everything. And but still, the way they made him in the character again as Iceman, I think that small scene, actually, without that scene, the movie would not be the same, absolutely, and that was awesome. That was awesome, and he's one of those characters in the movies that you just need this kind of character in a movie, like Val Kilmer. Also, one of my favorites when he was playing Simon Templar, it was a little bit underrated movie, maybe not the best production, but The Saint, you know, when he was playing Simon Templar. It's a bit of a romantic drama, action, something, but I did like it. I did like the character there as well. So, anyway, I needed to talk about Val Kilmer because I think he's awesome. And he will forever be awesome. Yeah, Tariff's Day is gonna be very, very difficult, I guess. Great actor. Doors. Yeah, the Doors, absolutely. Doors, yeah. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Yeah, I mean, I like that. Maybe not my absolute favorite, but I think it was awesome. That movie too. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Tom Stone. Oh yeah, my God. Yeah. Jim Morrison, yeah, he nailed it. You know, I think the way he played Jim Morrison, whew, that was like epic. I mean, one of those rare actors. Obviously, there are lots of actors out there, but he was one of those. You know, he had something special going on. He had that vibe. Whichever character he played, he had that extra special vibe. Even through the screen, you know, you can see that okay, this guy is something else. And the way he played, I liked it. He had that aura. I don't know. It was great. And I feel very sorry about this. But he forever will be there in the movies with us. So I'm gonna watch a movie that he plays in tonight. Maybe I'm gonna watch. Which movie should it be? Maybe I'm gonna watch The Saint or Heat. Yeah, but yeah, really, I don't know. I think I'm gonna watch The Saint. Maybe not his best act or best movie that he was played in. It's absolutely not the best of the best movie. It has many errors and glitches, but I think he played a good character there. Hell yeah. Yeah, he had an aura. Yeah, something special about him. And I saw that film about the documentary and everything, and maybe it wasn't there, but in the documentary, someone also said the same. Like when he stepped in to the space, especially when he was in character, like he was having that vibe or something. I don't know. Rumors were saying when he was playing in the first Top Gun movie, Iceman, he was so much into character that he was fighting with everybody off the set as well. When they were not rolling, he was mocking everybody, and everybody was mocking him too, because he was not just because, I mean, he was into character or something, but he was trolling everybody and he was angry with everybody. He was like fighting with everybody off the set too. Not People said they didn't really like to hang around with Val Kilmer at that time because he was a little bit grumpy. He was a grumpy guy. But anyway, the Heat, yeah, Heat, absolutely. Although in Heat he's just a kind of like a secondary character, but hey, still awesome. The shooting scene in Heat, nobody can do the same shooting scene anymore in any movie. That shooting scene on the street at the bank robbery, that is something that was no CGI. Real stunts, real explosions, real people, obviously with like blanks, but that was the real sounds, real everything. I mean, except for the bullets, but it was real and it was super awesome the way they did it. No CGI background. Those are real buildings in the background, real cars, no CGI. Now that is a real shooting scene. Again, except for the bullets. Heat is definitely, as I said, Heat is in the universe of movies, without time or anything, Heat is in my top 10. Definitely. It's absolutely in the top 10. And by the way, and I don't want to spoiler it to anyone. If somebody didn't see the Heat, Heat, go watch it. But yeah. Yeah, I mean, CGI fire, if they're doing it right, it's okay. But, back in the 90s, they did real, I don't know what they used. I guess it was some kind of a blank bullet that was firing like big time at the top of the barrel or something. But it looked awesome. Zoltan, you definitely have to watch Heat. I'm gonna watch it to remember Val Kilmer. I'm gonna watch Heat tonight. It's a long movie, by the way. It's about 2.5 hours or more. It's a long movie. And I think Robert De Niro and Al Pacino also shined in that movie. I mean, Robert De Niro and Al Pacino was still in their prime as an actor on that movie. They were on the top still at the 90s at that movie. So you definitely, not just Val Kilmer, but, you know, absolutely. And also the other characters in the movie as well. Everybody was great. Jon Voight and others, they were really great. All right, everybody. I'm gonna have to. Al Pacino got a kid with a kid. Yes, something like that. Something like that. So that's why. Yeah, that's a different thing. 85 and his girlfriend is 25. Yeah, lucky him. All right, everybody. I have to cut the stream here. I have to go. This was a short stream, as I said. Tomorrow there will be no London stream, but today I'll be back for New York. Okay, so get prepared. I'll be back for New York, but tomorrow no London stream. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. See you later. Take care. Please don't forget to use my codes. All right. Support the stream, man. I'm not rich like Patrick Wheeland or anything. Just kidding. Use anyone's codes, but don't leave it at the prop firm. Thank you so much for the support, everyone. Have a good one. And most of all, God bless you all. All right. Cheers, everybody.